Hey everybody, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, and we're here to give you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. So what are we going to talk about this time? We're going to talk about winter Orlando events. Now, people come to Orlando during the winter because, it's cold up north, so you want to come down here. It's Florida, it's going to be a little bit warmer, but did you also know it's not just warmth? They also have so many special events that you can have fun doing in Orlando, especially if you don't like being cold. Here are some of the best Christmas things to do in Orlando. And before we get into that, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. During the holidays, Orlando is extremely busy. The closer we get to Christmas, the more people come to visit. Think about it. What better way to spend your holidays than at the most magical place on earth? Just be sure to plan your trip accordingly and be aware that from Thanksgiving to the first week of January is considered the holiday season. It's going to be busy. As for the weather, it can get cold on some nights, so bring layers. You never know when cold fronts are going to hit. Sometimes you'll be riding Space Mountain in a beanie, but also bring light clothes because sometimes it's 80 degrees on Christmas Day. Florida is confusing. Now, let's talk about the events. Okay, Disney has a lot of events in the winter, especially in Epcot. There they have the Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. In the World Showcase, the different countries show how they celebrate the season with stories and food. There's also Epcot's Festival of the Arts, which runs from the middle of January to the middle of February and has a wide variety of activities and treats that show just how beautiful and tasty art can be. Believe me, I tried it. It's great. Then there's Universal's Holiday Parade featuring Macy's at Universal Studios and Grinchmas at Islands of Adventure. These are both fantastic holiday events, and I cannot recommend them enough. There are decorations and festive food in both parks, including within the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. It's so magical, and they have holiday-specific shows. It's fantastic. Another event that takes place during winter is Universal Orlando Resort's Rock the Universe. Rock the Universe is an annual Christian music festival held by Universal Orlando Resort that includes musical performances by popular Christian artists, as well as access to all the thrilling rides and attractions Universal Orlando Resort offers. Next on our list is SeaWorld Orlando with their very own Christmas celebration. Gather your family and join all your festive friends at SeaWorld's Christmas celebration, going on from November through December. See the park transformed into a winter wonderland, sparkling with over 3 million beautiful lights. With plenty of holiday cheer and incredible shows, this event is sure to create unforgettable memories at a wondrous Christmas celebration you'll only find at SeaWorld. Now, I know we talked a lot about the events going on at the parks, but you know what? Central Florida has other events outside of the theme parks as well. You can catch a performance of A Christmas Carol at the Orlando Shakespeare Theater. There's the Night of a Million Lights put on by Give Kids the World. There's the Christmas Tree Trail in Disney Springs and the Orlando Museum of Art. If you are a person who hates being cold, you can still have a warm time. It's Florida, and even our winters aren't that cold. At least, not to anyone living up north. More than likely, you'll have a day or two of warm weather, or warm enough where you and the gang can head off to a nearby beach. It's also kind of fun to see Christmas lights on a palm tree. We try to be as festive as we can, so plan your winter trip to Orlando if you want something different for the holidays. All right. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or just need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.